Hi, I know that you may be a little bit nervous about making your transcript, but I can teach you how to do it and make it as simple as humanly possible. My name is Lee Binz, and I'm the home scholar. My mission is helping parents homeschool high school, and I would love to give you some scholarship winning transcript tips that will make a big difference in getting your children into college, making sure that they can graduate debt free. In this class, you're going to be learning about how to make a transcript professional and official, how to create perfect class titles, how to accurately calculate grades and credits so it's just perfect. We'll talk about how to make your transcript stand out using some marketing tips that are going to help you to win those prestigious scholarships. I'm looking forward to talking with you. I'm looking forward to this free class. The only thing is I have limited space, so I do need you to register for the class right away. And then after you've registered, then tell your friends about it. Hopefully there's still a few spots left for them. I'm looking forward to chatting with you. At the end, I'll be able to answer all of your questions about transcripts. It's going to be fun. It's going to solve the problem. You're not going to be anxious about transcripts anymore. I'll talk to you online soon. Take care.